Alafin Adeyemi was the only Alafin that contested the supremacy against the Oni. There is no record anywhere that any Alafin had ever contested the supremacy with Oni. And even the contest was on the pages of this.
Ẹ̀yin wá káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé níbi tẹ́ ti láǹfààní àtòrí ọ̀fẹ́ tẹ́ ti ń gbé mi ọmọ yín àbúrò yín Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ẹ wo orí ètò tá ti mọ mú nǹkan wá náà la tó ti ní ká tó mú nǹkan wá kẹ́ tó lè gbọ́ lénìí kẹ́ lè mọ bó ṣe ń lọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ àti Aláàfin náà ni àtúnika tó mú wá sí etí gbọ́ yín. Pé kẹ́ mọ gbogbo bí gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ náà ni. Ẹ wo ẹ má wá jẹ́ gbà lákòókò ẹ̀yin wa fáǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti subscribe sórí ètò yìí. Ẹ subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà kẹ́yin náà kẹ́ lè mọ jàǹfààní bàbá tó ṣe mú fúnra wá. Fẹ́yìn ẹ̀yin wa káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé. Ẹ wo ẹ má jẹ́ gbà lákòókò ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ wíyan bàbá wa ní òun ní bọ́mọdé ò bá bá tàn yóò bá àrọ́bá ní bàbá àtàn. Ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ bó ṣe lọ láàrin ọ̀rọ̀ Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ àti ọba Ọ̀ni. Ọba Ifẹ̀ àti ọba Ifẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ àti ọba Ifẹ̀ Ọ̀ni Ọ̀jájá. Ó yá ẹ má jẹ́ gbà lákòókò ẹ tó wá lọ gbọ́ bó ṣe lọ.
Whether the Oyo people accept it or not, a son cannot be bigger than his father, not to talk of his grandfather.
Okay.
The claim that Oyo was an empire, that empire was destroyed since 1790. The Fulani warriors destroyed that Oyo empire in 1790. And Oyo became wanderers with no homeland until they got to Agoja. And their shepherd gave them land to dwell in and cultivate. As at that time, the military prowess that they had been transferred to Ibadan. Ibadan became the warlord, to the extent that Ibadan at a time determined who was going to be the Alafin for you. So if you are claiming that military prowess that time, it is actually Ibadan that's supposed to be claiming that right now. So the power that Alafin is claiming now, that power is gone since 1790.
So
over 200 years ago.
Is supposed to be the supreme.
Oni is the supreme traditional ruler in Yoruba land. Alafin Adeyemi was the only Alafin that contested the supremacy against the Oni. There is no record anywhere that any Alafin had ever contested the supremacy with Oni. And even the contest was on the pages of newspaper. I remember in 1989 when Babangida was to come to Oyo State on an official visit, and the State Executive Council and the two traditional rulers were to meet to welcome Babangida at the Ibadan end of the toll gate. Colonel Sasani Oresanya was standing. Alafin was next to him, and members of the State Executive Council. The Oni has not arrived. As Oni arrived, before he got down out of his limousine, you know what Alafin did? Alafin created a gap. He moved. He moved away from where Oresanya was standing, so that Oni will come and stand next to the Alafin, to the governor. So that shows that even Alafin Adeyemi, despite all the Ulabalo on the pages of newspaper, recognized the superiority of the Oni of Ife.
Bóyá àwọn kan sọ pé Ìbàdàn nìkan náà máa jẹ gómìnà lọ́ba ti kọ́ lọ́sẹ̀rẹ́ torí pé ní àwọn kan mìíràn tá àkèjì àṣìṣẹ́ tẹ̀lé àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí yàtí wọn. Nígbà tí náà tẹ̀ sí chairman ọmọ president House of Chiefs and rotation dàpẹ́. And it's not so very Alafin, not so very connected. Okay, so I'm just as of I said, we o ti sọ tán pé bàbá mi ṣe nǹkan báyìí ló gbọ́dọ̀ àìsọ́sìn. tí wọ́n kan náà fẹ́ ṣe lábúlé mo ní ẹ má gbàgbé o 32 members ló wà ní house o speaker kan wà láàrin wọn o sábà máa dìbò speaker ò ní dìbò 16 nínú 32 lání o. pẹ̀lú support sí àwọn house of assembly jẹ́ fún wa tàbá ní bíbá nìkan dìbò ṣe gbèsè wọ́n jù sí wọn. oníṣòwò kí ẹ sọ fún nìkan lọ sọ fọlá àfihàn pé tí bàtà bá fẹ́ máa jẹ permanent chairman àwọn lámà jẹ o. àníbò tá a lè fi gbé àti pé ìyàwó ìjẹbàdàn Ìbàdàn jẹ gómìnà mú ní nígbà tí àwọn olówó wà láyé ìyàwó ìjẹbàdàn ọdún sí tó máa gbé ní ìbáyìí yóò tàbí ibi tó gbèsè kò sí àlègbé capital western region ní ìbáyìí.
mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé níbi tẹ́ ti láǹfààní àtòrí ọ̀fẹ́ bí mo ṣe wọlé ló yẹ kí n kí mo kọ́ ọmọdé mo kágbà mo kọ́kùnrin mo kóbìnrin lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò mí ojú náà ò ní fọ́ o etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ mi etí náà ò ní di oréré létí gbogbo wa mọ̀ gbọ́ o ìta tó ní ká tó mú wá sí etí gbọ́yìn rè ni bó bá tó ṣe ń lọ àtọ̀jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ́ gbọ́ ṣùgbọ́n àdúrà mi sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ni pé ire lójú owó rí ire lójú ọlá rí ire lójú gbogbo wa mọ̀ rí o ire o ó dìgbà ìpàdé wa bí oyin.